Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a super important topic for all apartment investors out there, keeping your tenants happy and retaining them. Now we all know tenant satisfaction is key, so let's talk about addressing their requests and concerns effectively. First up, active listening. When tenants voice their concerns, show empathy and attentiveness. Understand the details and context of each request. This isn't just about fixing a leaky faucet, it's about building a relationship. Next, timely response. Address tenant requests quickly. Whether it's maintenance, lease terms, or amenities, a fast response shows you're committed to their satisfaction. It builds trust, and trust is priceless in this business. Regularly collecting feedback is another game changer. Survey your tenants about their living experience and services. This proactive approach helps nip issues in the bud. Now, let's talk lease terms. Be flexible where you can. Accommodate reasonable requests like flexible start dates or move-in procedures. Customizing policies can also add value. Maybe a tenant wants a pet or a personal washer and dryer. If feasible, these adjustments can enhance their experience and boost retention. But remember to set clear boundaries on what's negotiable and non-negotiable. Balancing tenant needs with your objectives is crucial. Always consider the long-term value. Does this request improve tenant satisfaction and property appeal? Weigh the costs against potential rental income increases or reduced turnover. For instance, allowing a washer and dryer might require extra maintenance, but could significantly raise tenant happiness. Aim for mutually beneficial agreements. Find that sweet spot where tenant requests and property objectives align. This win-win approach strengthens your relationship with tenants and makes your property a desirable place to live. So there you have it. Addressing tenant requests and concerns effectively is your golden ticket to happy tenants and high retention rates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on apartment investing. Catch you in the next video.